Arkady Kamanin, 14 years old, the son of a Soviet Air Force commander. At first, he only repaired aircraft, watched pilots prepare for missions, learned how to fly. But not long after, Arkady took to the skies himself. He became the youngest Soviet military pilot of World War II. While grown men feared skies filled with anti-aircraft fire, a teenage boy flew directly through combat zones. Sadly, Arkady did not die in war. He died from meningitis at the age of 18. He survived the battlefield, but never truly escaped the war.